What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nene, and I'm back with another Vlogmas video. So today is Vlogmas Day 2, December 2nd. Your girl really been in the bed all day because I woke up like super duper early, and so did Ireland, and I had to go back to sleep. So I kind of just like been in the bed. As y'all can see, it's just been raining. It finally stopped, so I'm gonna go out to the store. I want to put up the Christmas tree today. I haven't really looked and seen what kind of colored bulbs and stuff we have. I was trying to order some on Walmart, but I need to go in here and see what we got first. But first, I'm finna run out to the store. I need to kind of find something to cook for dinner, and I want to find the girls some Christmas cookies to bake after we put the tree up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be getting ready to do. Like I said, I ain't been doing nothing all day. I've been chilling. I did some homework. I did some editing. I posted. So y'all make sure y'all go back and check out my last 2 videos I posted. But enough of that being said, let's go to the store so I can get back home. This is cute. Alright, so I ended up going to these. See if I can find these cookies. Alright, you guys, we're back in the car, leaving out of Winn-Dixie. I found the Christmas cookies. I got a little plate and stuff to put them in. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys when I get home. And of course, I had to pick up the kids something. Do like every time y'all go to the store, y'all pick your kids up something. Like if they with you, if they not. Like I feel if I'm leaving the house, I gotta bring y'all something back. Because one thing about them, if you bring bags, they gonna be going through them bags like, what you got me? Yeah, that's a bad habit. I started that. That's why they do that. That's why they do that. But if I'm leaving the house, I'm gonna bring my baby something back. So let me show y'all what I got them real quick if I can find it. Cause once they get it, I just bought them these little flashing necklaces things so they can wear these. Something simple. It don't have to be nothing extravagant all the time. Sometimes I might just buy them like their favorite bag of chips or something and bring it back. You know, just something for them to look forward to when I come back. But we finna get ready to head back because I got them something to eat for lunch and some snacks and whatnot. That's pretty much it. It's something to cook for the night. But we finna go back, head home. Oh, and I got a Celsius. I low-key really want a Starbucks, but I don't feel like driving down there. So I'm gonna try this out and see what it's hitting on. Hopefully it don't make me feel too bad. I'm just gonna drink a little bit of it. I just been kind of sluggish and tired from the rain, I guess, and waking up early. And then I was off for Thanksgiving, and then I had to wake up all last week, and it just threw me off. It just threw me off, and I just don't want to be thrown off. I need to get back on schedule. So, but yeah, let's get back home. I'm gonna probably finish my homework first, and then we're gonna pull out the stuff for the Christmas tree. What you got?
A toy.
You got a toy? What color is it?
Blue.
What color is the other one?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, what color is it?
Steve.
Green.
Rabbit.
Alright, you guys, I'm finally done with homework. I'm officially done with school for the semester. Ask me, am I taking class the next semester? We go back about it. I went ahead and put dinner in the Instant Pot. We're just gonna do steak and rice. I got a Walmart order. I'm opening these Walmart orders because the kids got some pajamas and I want them to put them on while we decorate and make cookies and stuff. So hopefully it's in this box because they usually in this bag, but I don't know. Ireland's gonna be ecstatic when she sees these. Oh, these are really thick. Walmart, I just want to let y'all know, y'all to go. Because lately, every time I ordered something, they sent me an extra of something. Like, they got extra pajamas last time, and like, they got extra pajamas this time. So, shout out to y'all. What I opted to get the extra pair of my little cousin, but yeah. Let's just go ahead and make her a little bag so her mom can go pick it up. Cause Walmart just didn't need extra stuff. But yeah, I don't know. These are like flannel, so it might be too warm because it's not cold outside today because of the rain. But it's getting that cold. So we shall see if they're gonna put on these or they old pajamas. So the tree is gonna go right here. I'm gonna put the table back over about a sectional, and yeah, I'm probably gonna sweep them off the floor or whatever. I actually probably could wait. Well, I don't know, cause y'all know how the tree be leaving the little stuff. And the skirt the skirt we got, the Christmas skirt we got from last year has a whole bunch of glitter on it, so I don't want to use that one. I want to get a new one. Okay, so we sitting here contemplating on what colors we're gonna do the tree. The colors we have is red, black, gold, blue, and silver. So I originally wanted to do blue and silver because the living room is blue and silver, even though the tree gonna be over there. But I have blue chair covers on the chair over there. And I was sitting here noticing like the little like decor we have like over there in that corner has gold accents. So I'm like, So now nothing in here is really like silver. It's blue and gray. So I'm kind of thinking blue, black and gold. But I don't know. Maybe we're just gonna have to pull it all out and put it on the tree and see what it's giving. And then whatever we got, whatever we don't have, I'm gonna go back and purchase some more stuff, and that's gonna be that. And y'all, it's pouring down raining outside. Like, what? The rain came right back. I know it's gonna be cold later. I know it's gonna be cold. You want to put the Christmas tree up? You want to put up the Christmas tree? Oh, what? You ready for Christmas?
It's too big.
It's too big. You ready to put the Christmas tree up?
Okay, it's so big.
It's gonna go over there. Wait on Earth. So one of them won't participate. She will lay in bed. Maybe we should make all of them. So let's see what we have. Yeah. You got a break from the park, dude. What's this? You gotta spread it out.
No, that one.
You wanna make a Christmas tree with the cookies? Let's do that. Right here. Pour right there. Right there. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We're just gonna do half, okay? We'll do the other half another day. So look, we're gonna make a Christmas tree. Yep, wait. Okay, let's show them. So we made a Christmas tree. Uh-oh, they slide down, y'all. Out of the cookies. Mom's gonna put them in the oven. And let me read the box because these always cook so fast. 10 to 12 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Say, in the gut, we be riding. So we probably too short. We too short.
Oh no.
Oh no. You gotta ask Daddy to do it. So ask Daddy to do it.
Mommy,
What?
Mommy, present.
It's a present?
Mommy,
Uh-oh, somebody.
hey, Mommy, Mommy,
Huh?
Mommy, Mommy.
Yeah. So the cookies are all done. I bought this little tray to put them on, but they still hot. So they're like super soft. I like them like that. I had to make sure I didn't overcook them, but these on the side look like they might get a little hard. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for them to cool off just a bit so I can still get them while they soft. Or maybe let me try to use a spatula. Let's see. Probably still stuck. I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just took the whole aluminum foil off the pan. Y'all don't talk about that little ragged rusty pan. But I took the whole and just placed it on there until they cool off. That way we can go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up and stuff for the night so the girls can get ready for bed. But I'm gonna see if the girls wanna try one once they cool off.